In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video on Notion. This is a really useful feature that can help make your Notion pages more dynamic and visually engaging. Whether you're creating a resource for others, building a personal project, or simply exploring Notion's functionalities, embedding a video can enhance the way you present information. First, navigate to the page where you want to add your video. This could be any existing page within your workspace, or even a new one that you've just set up. Once you're there, you'll want to activate Notion's versatile command feature. Start by typing a / followed by the word video. This / command is your gateway to accessing the media options Notion offers, designed to make it easy for you to enrich your page with multimedia content. After typing /video, you'll notice Notion provides you with a couple of choices. It will present you with options to either upload a video directly from your device or to embed a video from an external source. If you decide to upload a video, select the appropriate option and locate the video file on your computer. Keep in mind that the upload process may take a few moments, depending on the file size and your internet connection, so don't worry if it seems to lag briefly. On the other hand, if embedding is more suited to your needs, selecting the embed option allows you to paste a link from supported video hosting platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. This is a great choice if your video is hosted online and you want to incorporate it seamlessly into your Notion page without having to upload it all over again. Once you've made your decision on how to incorporate your video and executed it, simply observe as Notion integrates your video onto the page. If you've uploaded a video, you might need to be patient while it processes and completes the upload. For embedded videos, it should appear almost instantly, and that's all it takes. With these straightforward steps, you'll be able to add a video to your Notion page effortlessly. This feature not only helps in making your pages more interactive, but also serves as a compelling way to share supporting material or enhance learning resources with visual content. Enjoy adjusting your workflow with this creative tool, and have fun exploring other ways you can take advantage of Notion's powerful features to customize your workspace even further. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other videos on mastering your Notion workspace.